Hi, good morning everyone. Teacher Everson once again here with you. In today's video I'm going to show you a little bit about my website. Okay, some information that for me were essential to start learning English. How did I start to become an English teacher? Como foi a minha história? Como que eu comecei a lecionar inglês, tá? Então hoje eu vou mostrar para vocês por onde eu comecei. So, here in my website that you already know, teachereverson.blogspot.com, here you can find the beginning of everything, the origin. So, search here the menu. In the menu we go to the, where is it? The verb to be. So the verb to be is the beginning of everything. So if you want to learn English, verb to be is the beginning. Okay, so that's a little explanation. We've seen before. Já vimos antes. And here, there's one information here. The verb to be is the beginning of everything. So if you want to start well, Interchange Intro is the best book for beginners. So this is how I started. I started with this book from Cambridge. So that's the teacher's book. It's bigger, but this is the best one for you to start. If you want to know where you can find, click here. It says here, click here, click aqui. O que acontece? What happens when we press there, click here? We just open, ta-da, where you can find it. Okay, so you can find it at Amazon, which is very good. So this is the beginning, right? So in my opinion, that's the best book for you who wants to be a student and wants to start in this, okay? So, and the Interchange, I've been using it for more than 24 years. Not exactly this book, of course. I started with the first one, then, so there was a sequence. This is already in the 5th edition, a quinta edição. So, very good hints for you who wants to start to learn English. Okay? Thank you very much. Goodbye. See ya.